You slept 8 hours, yet you woke up tired. Again. Your alarm rang, your body moved, but your mind whispered, 5 more minutes. You drag yourself to the mirror. Same face, same eyes, same fatigue. You drink coffee, but it feels like your soul still hasn't woken up. Why? You didn't run a marathon. You didn't fight a war. You just lived. And somehow, that's what's exhausting. It's not your bed. It's not your job. It's your habits. Quiet, invisible routines that slowly drain your energy, one morning at a time. The truth? You don't need more sleep. You need to wake up right. And today, I'll show you the 4 habits that turned my mornings and my life around. We think tiredness means lack of rest, but often it's not the body that's exhausted. It's the mind drowning in unfinished thoughts. You see, modern life tricks us into believing we're resting when we're really just scrolling. Lying in bed with your phone isn't rest. It's stimulation disguised as comfort. Your brain doesn't sleep. It just switches from work stress to dopamine chasing. Then morning comes. You open your eyes, but your mind is already tired, replaying yesterday's noise before the day even begins. Eastern monks call this the residue of the mind. Thoughts left unwashed, emotions left unhealed. Western science calls it mental fatigue. Too many tabs open, none closed properly. So when you wake up tired, it's not just about sleep hours. It's about the mental clutter you carried into the night. You've been playing the game wrong. But don't worry. Today, I'll give you the real rules. So how do we fix it? Let's go step by step. Habit 1. The 10-minute detox. Before you touch your phone, touch your breath. Every morning, sit in silence for just 10 minutes. No scrolling, no music, just you and your thoughts. At first, it feels boring, like waiting for a bus that never comes. But slowly, your brain learns to reset. In neuroscience, this activates the default mode network, which clears the mental cache built overnight. You don't need incense or chants, just stillness. That silence becomes your first victory of the day. Habit 2. Move before you think. Most people wait to feel ready. That's the trap. When you move your body first, stretch, walk, do 10 push-ups, your brain releases endorphins that create energy. It's biology's cheat code. You don't need an hour at the gym. Just 2 minutes of motion to tell your nervous system, we're alive today. Eastern wisdom says, Qi moves before thought. Western science calls it activation energy. Both mean the same thing. Energy follows action, not the other way around. Habit 3. Feed your mind, not your fear. Your first input of the day decides your emotional tone. If you start with news, gossip, or chaos, your brain stays in survival mode. So change your mental breakfast. Listen to something that uplifts. A calm podcast, soft music, a verse that speaks peace. What you consume before 9 a.m. is the soil where your entire day grows. Protect it like a garden. Remember, the mind eats too, and junk thoughts are just as toxic as junk food. Habit 4. Write 1 line every morning. This one sounds small, but it's magic. Before diving into tasks, write 1 line that defines your intention. Not a to-do list, just one thought. Today, I choose clarity. Today, I speak kindly. Today, I finish what I start. It sounds simple, but your subconscious listens. You're programming your internal compass before the world pulls you in every direction. When repeated daily, that 1 line becomes a quiet revolution. So here's the truth. Energy doesn't come from caffeine, comfort, or control. It comes from alignment. These 4 habits, silence, movement, nourishment, and intention, rebuild that alignment piece by piece. And when that happens, mornings stop being battles. They become beginnings. Let's put it all together. Your morning doesn't need 100 new rules, just 4 tiny switches. Silence clears your mind. Movement wakes your body. Nourishment feeds your emotions. Intention guides your spirit. 4 habits, 10 minutes each. That's 40 minutes to completely rewrite how your day begins. You don't need to chase motivation anymore, because once your mornings rise right, everything else aligns naturally. Think of it like tuning an instrument. Before you play music, you tune the strings. These habits are your tuning. The music is your life. You don't need more hours. You just need a better system. Remember when I said you slept 8 hours but still woke up tired? That ends today. If this video helped you, subscribe. Not for me, but for you. Because every week, we build better habits together. Share this with someone who needs a new morning and a new start.